welcome to my channel. You're watching Treasures Made from Yarn, and this is my weekly work in progress video. You get to see all the stuff that I am working on and stuff that I have finished. So I didn't get that much finished this week. I think I just got one item finished. That is this dishcloth. Now I have been making dishcloths. You've probably seen on for Scrubby Sunday. These dishcloths are in support of AmericanStarfish.org, which is an organization that they have reached that are collecting dishcloths for hand washing stations. They have reached out to Heather from Strings and Thread because they saw that she was making dishcloths, and they reached out to her to see if she can make some for them. And she has recruited help from other people, YouTube content creators. And I've seen Allie from Allie Artifacts. I saw her video first. I learned about making the dishcloths, and then that's how I found out from Heather. So anyway, there are a bunch of people who are doing Scrubby Sunday, so I hope you get a chance to check out Scrubby Sunday. I am not sure yet if I'm actually going to donate this particular dishcloth, because my purpose was I got different kinds of dishcloth, the different types of yarn in here, to include stuff from the Dollar Tree, the eco stuff I got from Michael's, and this is the Bernay cotton, and I think this is stuff from Temu. And I got this top one was the Dishy from Knit Picks, so I was going to actually throw this through the wash and see how they all do. So this particular washcloth probably will not get donated. So that's all I got done. I got nothing else done here. So other projects going on. I mean, I'm liking the granny square along that's going from August to December, and that I learned that from Connie at Just Another Stitch. So I am doing this granny square make along, and I am making it as I go. So this is a popcorn granny square, and like it says, I'm joining them as I go because I do not like sewing on granny squares. I do have a video tutorial and a written pattern on how to do this, so I will leave that linked in the description. Yeah, this is going to be a decent size. I says I'll have a picture of that here. This is going to be a decent size blanket when it's done, because we're in September. I got like 2 more months yet. So if you've also seen my other video, I did one on the Mandela craft cake. I mean, I wasn't expecting anything big, but this was small, so I demonstrated at the end. I noticed that there was a hole in the bag, so I started to pull it out, and because it was a mess, I had to start another project, and I am working this with another yarn, and I have to say, I'm making a doll with it. Cute. It is actually, my plan is to make this a pumpkin doll. So I made a couple pumpkin dolls last year, and now I'm making another one. I know, poor planning. The orange is in his shirt. Actually, it's a her, because I plan on putting a skirt. Yeah, and I'm starting to run out of, I think this was, I forgot what yarn this was, but it was a scrap. And I'm running low on that, so I think I'm going to have another yarn, use a different yarn, and that to finish the foot. And then do the foot and the hands. I don't know. And also running out of this yarn too, so Anyway, it went into this little pumpkin doll. Really, it's gonna be cute when it's done, for sure. Not much progress on this one. Oh, try to get 0 progress. It's just gonna be this fidget ball, or I think it's like a Mobius. Not Mobius. I keep saying Mobius. Hyperbolic ball. That's the correct term. It's not Mobius. So we'll see where this yarn takes me. That's pretty much all this is. Okay. Absolutely no progress on my t-shirt. I don't even think I've worked on this since the last video. Oh, and my needle's all getting caught in here. Holy crap. Yep, there it is. There's my end, which now we're going negative progress because I keep pulling this out. Yep. No progress. I still got half done, and we're working on the other side of the t-shirt. So I don't even see it all. Not much progress, but I should work on this because I think it's going to look cool when it's done. But yeah, I haven't done anything on this. And I had an opportunity to work on this on Monday. You're going to see this Wednesday, so on Monday, because my husband had a doctor's appointment. Oh my God, just to get sidetracked on that. His doctor's appointment was for 4 o'clock. He didn't get seen until 5 o'clock. And so, anyway, after his doctor's appointment, we decided to go to McDonald's. I guess it was National Burger Day and 50-cent burgers. Yeah. Who's ever waited an hour at McDonald's to wait for the food? Yeah, and then I screwed up because I ordered it through the app on my phone, and somehow my order didn't get added to it. So I was like, after waiting an hour, I realized my food never got ordered. So I was out on McDonald's food. Maybe not a bad thing, but anyway, I digress. That was like waiting an hour at McDonald's, so I had to throw it in there. So again, no progress on the t-shirt. Now, since I was at the doctor's office, I did bring a project. Well, the project that I did bring me to the doctor's office was this one, the scarf. I'm digging the colors and the pattern on this. This is using 3 different balls of Urban Chick yarn. And I found this pattern on Pinterest. I kind of like it. So progress. So I worked on this project and the progress. I made progress on this one. So this one I did no progress on, and that is the Fairyland Hat using Merry and Bright off a big, hold on, Big Twist. This is Merry and Bright. So yeah, I didn't even do any on this. It's okay. We will get to eventually. I'm definitely want to get this done at around Christmas time. Okay. Other than the temperature blankets, I have one other project left, and that is the Mystery Yarn Challenge project. The Mystery Yarn Challenge, hosted by Armchair Chef. So I hope you get a chance to check out her channel if you want to check it out. In a nutshell, what I did was I sent yarn from my stash to a recipient Lori had assigned to me. I in turn received yarn from the from my recipient. And the project I'm working on is a jacket for me. Okay. No. Okay. I'm trying to, find you. There you are. Don't want to lose my end here. Alright, so this is where the 6 sides, and I was kind of hoping to get half of it at least to almost done status, but it might fit one of my grandchildren happily, so not as far as long as I got, but I have several weeks yet before I can finish this project. And I'm hoping that I have enough yarn for it to fit me, but worst case scenario, I'll make it to fit one of my grandkids. But alright, that is the progress. Now if you saw my last week's video, I had realized I had to frog it because I wasn't increasing enough. Now that I look at it, I wonder if I am slightly increasing now too much. Because it looks like my sleeves are going to get... Because I wonder if I should have increased it like my Stash Buster blanket. Where I think I did like... I can't not look at the pattern. I don't remember. I did like... Right now in my corners I got 2 double crochets. Chain 2 and 2 double crochets. Wonder if I should be alternating it with 1 double crochet. Chain 2 and 1 double crochet and have it, have it not increase as much, because it looks like it says it looks like the sleeves are getting kind of big, which not necessarily ain't a bad thing. I'm trying to think if it's getting a little, well, I guess it doesn't look too bad. We'll have to wait and see how that turns out. But anyway, I was hoping to be further along, but I am not. I gotta find an end so I can put my crochet hook back in it. Alright, and that leaves my temperature projects. So, I have the scarf, and I gotta do today's, and it is the 90s today, so I gotta do another row of the same one. So I gotta do another, all this is it's just the moss stitch or linen stitch, which is that you do a single crochet chain 1 and you do the single crochet in chain 1 space. Though I am still surprised that to see, we're heading into fall, I didn't think we would see 90s anymore, but I guess you never know. So yeah, that is, my blanket, the scarf. It's getting to be almost, oh, I was caught in another project. It's getting to be about the size of a normal scarf. It might be slightly bigger, but again, I am not sure if I'm going to put, now that we're getting closer to the end of the year, I might start thinking if I want to put a border on this, and I'm thinking not. Nor fringe either. I just might, when it's all said and done, I'll just leave it like it is. So that is the temperature scarf. And here is the temperature blanket for September. Let's see, today I'm recording this, you'll see it on the 20th. I need to do the 17th. I gotta go back on the 17th. A little concerned that we're halfway through the month and that's how big it is. I'm hoping it's not going to be too short, because I've had a lot of days, there were a lot of days where there was only like 1 rows in the pattern or 2 rows in the pattern. So there was a lot of that in here. So, but I looked coming up, it looked like I'm going to have larger row patterns come up. Like there's like at least 8 rows or some, or 10 rows. So sometimes I can, if there are that many, if there's too many rows, like 10 or 20 or something, I'll try to combine a couple days, but I don't think I can afford to do that if I want my blanket to be a decent size. So that, I think that covers, I don't think I forgot any. Won't be the first time I forgot a project I was working on, but I honestly think I got it all. I'm looking around to see if I missed any. Nope, I think I got it all. So, some updates. I was hoping by now to have done a yarn haul video. So yeah, I had bought some yarn, about 50 bucks worth of yarn, off an ad I seen on Facebook, and you know, I never heard of this company, so I took a chance. And according to tracking, it was delivered on the 18th. I don't have that package. So yeah, I sent the email off, and now I don't know what to do next, so other than to hear back from them. But I did get the oddest package that I have no clue how I got this, so I'm hoping I didn't get this. I got some earbuds. I got some earbuds sent to me, and I didn't order earbuds. And it did come on September 18th, so this is not yarn, and where I ordered from was a yarn company, so I don't know how I got a set of earbuds. Any one of you sent me a set of earbuds? And I think this might be, is this for the actual iPhone, or is this an off-brand? I'll have to check to see if this is an Apple brand, or if it's just kind of an off-brand. I don't know. It's got the Apple thing on it, so these might be a halfway decent earbuds. These actually might be more than the yarn I bought. So, is it possible a yarn company sent me earphones? I don't know. I don't know how I got these. I don't know. That would be kind of weird to get earbuds. So. Anyway, I hope it resolves, because the yarn I bought looked really pretty online. I would be very disappointed if this package got lost. So I hope the company either refunds my money or sends me another package, which I could be waiting for another month. It's okay. I don't want to wait another month, but oh well. Okay, hopefully that gets resolved. Let me know in the comments if you sent me some earbuds. Tell me. So, alright. Well, if nothing comes of this, I will let you know which company not to buy yarn from. So, hopefully that gets resolved. And I'm sorry if I just repeated myself. I seem to be doing a lot of that in these videos. So, okay, that is all I have. Make sure you say subscribe to find out, to make sure you see how all these projects turn out. And if you did like this video, please give it a like. Want to see more content like this, please subscribe to my channel. I want to thank you always for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye now.